Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.5 LTS version on Debian 12 operating systems. First open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version from this list. See here we have the 8.4.5 LTS version. If you are unable to find the version here, we have to click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Okay, so this is the latest version. Then select the operating system, Debian Linux. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each Debian package, just download this deb bundle. So click on this download. No thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 474 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar this file and we will install the MySQL Server 8.4.5 on Debian 12. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now see, here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.5 tar file. We have to untar it, tar-xf, then give MySQL, press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. Extraction is completed, ls. See, here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed, Control A. But before installing them, we have to install following dependencies: sudo apt install macapp -ipadic -utf8 libaio -dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Type a confirmation and hit enter. Control ls. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg -i start.deb. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.4.5. Now provide the password for root account. Hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server, but we failed to install these components. Okay, so verify sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is installed and its status is running. Okay, and it is enabled. Quit Control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root is the username -p. Then provide the password of this root account that we have given while installing. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.4.5. You can also verify the same by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create. Now verify again. Now switch to this database. To switch to database, we have to use the command. We have to run the command. Command use is the keyword. Then we have to provide the name of the database. See, database change. Now verify list of tables in this database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Control A. Create table. Now verify. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Let us verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control L. Now we will create a user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL .user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user identified by whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. See here, David at 123 is the password. Hit enter. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit and connect MySQL with this new user. MySQL -u, new user name is David -p. Provide the password. See, we have to provide this one. Password is done. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now verify the same. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.4.5 on Debian operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 3 seconds ago and its status is inactive or dead. Okay, Q to quit. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -b. Provide the password of this root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL is active and running. Q to quit. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -b. Provide the password. See, you are able to connect. Okay, exit. If you want to restart, just use sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Hit enter. We have successfully restarted. See, we have successfully restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install on Debian operating systems. Okay, Control L, ls. These files are not required anymore because we have installed MySQL server. rm start.deb. So this will delete all Debian packages. ls. We have one more. Remove it also. rm give MySQL. Press tab. To autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. We have cleared the space. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.5 LTS version on Debian 12 operating system. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.